Hey everyone! Welcome to the AI Gigi. Today, we're talking about how non-tech folks can jump into AI by using tools like Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Bedrock, and Amazon Q Developer. No coding skills? No problem. By the end of this episode, you'll see how you can build your own AI agent. Let's dive in. I built an AI agent today. I attended the AWS AI workshop in New York at the Amazon office by Bryant Park. The event, Building with DeepSeek, are one using AWS and open source. As always, New York's tech event was full of inspiring people. So, what's an AI agent? Basically, it's like a super smart digital assistant that learns from your preferences. Imagine having a helper that can schedule a dinner reservation or book your next flight, all tailored to what you like. I built my AI agent. Let's tackle a common myth that you need a computer science degree to work with AI. The beauty of today's AI tools is that many are designed with accessibility in mind. They offer pre-trained models, user-friendly interfaces, and guided workflows that make them approachable, even for all users. In fact, many beginners are now leveraging AI to solve everyday problems, create exciting new projects, and even launch small businesses. If they can do it, so can you. SageMaker Jumpstart is the perfect place to begin. You can deploy pre-built machine learning AI models with just a few clicks. It's simple, approachable, and helps you start experimenting right away. This platform is kind of like your AI training wheels. With Bedrock, you can explore powerful foundation models like Amazon's and Anthropic's Claude without managing any complicated infrastructure. Think of it as a playground where you can test ideas, fine-tune models, and see real results. Want to build a chatbot, summarize long documents, or generate creative content? Bedrock makes that process straightforward and surprisingly fun. Finally, Amazon Q Developer lets you build intelligent AI agents. Whether it's a virtual assistant or a conversational bot, you can shape how your agent responds and performs tasks. This is where you actually define the agent's logic and behavior, train it to understand user inputs, and direct it to produce desired outputs, like generating a bar chart. The key is to start small. Begin with SageMaker Jumpstart, experiment with Bedrock, then build your agent in Q Developer. Follow step-by-step guides and don't rush, just enjoy the process. With these tools, you can go from a curious beginner to a confident AI creator. Thanks for tuning in. I can't wait to see what you build.